Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about what are the required software for this course. For this course, you need two software. The first one is the WAMP server. So, to download the WAMP server, just write something like download WAMP server. Download WAMP server 64-bit. You will see here in the download the source for .NET website. So, click on this link and then click on download to start downloading this one. It will take only 5 seconds to start downloading the WAMP server. So what is the WAMP server? The WAMP server is the web server who's responsible for managing your website. You cannot run the PHP files without web server, which is WAMP server. WAMP stands for Windows, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. The Windows is the operating system, the A, the Apache or the web server, the M, the MySQL, which is the database responsible for storing the data, and the P is the PHP programming language. Now, this is the first thing. The second thing you need also for this course to download the NetBeans IDE. It is the IDE we are going to use in this course to create our websites. So when you write something like download NetBeans and go here, NetBeans IDE downloads, you will see multiple versions of the NetBeans IDE. Okay, this is the website of the NetBeans. You will see there's NetBeans for Java SE, for Java EE, HTML, JavaScript, PHP, C, C++. Okay, I advise you to download this version of or this edition of NetBeans, which is the all. This all has all the attributes, all the plugins, and all the features. Okay, so this application is about 221 megabytes. So these are the two applications you need to install in your PC to start this course. See you next video.